Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Drain and dry the sink. Remove standing water. Sprinkle a thin, even layer of baking soda over stained areas. This gives gentle abrasion. Pour 1/2 cup white vinegar into a spray bottle and mist the soda. Expect fizzing. That reaction lifts mineral films. Use a soft sponge to work in circular motions, applying moderate pressure where rings appear. Once fizzing subsides, rinse with warm water and inspect. Make sure the surface feels smoother before continuing. Now focus on stubborn deposits. Mix 2 tablespoons baking soda with a few drops of water to make a paste. Apply it to problem areas and let sit 3 to 5 minutes so it softens mineral buildup. Scrub along the stainless grain with an old toothbrush for seams and around the drain. For flat areas, use the soft sponge with longer strokes. Once the paste lifts the stains, rinse thoroughly. Make sure to dry the sink with a microfiber cloth to prevent new water spots. Finish by rinsing away all residue and drying the sink completely with a microfiber cloth. This prevents fresh spotting. If faint rings remain, soak a paper towel in a 1:1 vinegar and water mix, lay it over the stain for 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub gently and rinse. Once done, polish with a few drops of olive oil or stainless cleaner for shine, wiping along the grain. If you see dull etching that won't buff out, stop and seek a professional refinisher to avoid worsening damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.